Good morning everyone. More luck than judgment today, but it's a very misty, foggy, cold, damp morning, and it's my local patch. But this is wonderful. This is absolutely beautiful this morning. In with the fog and mist comes the quiet. So I'm heading for a set of pine trees, hoping that maybe I can catch some wildlife, hopefully some deer. Okay, let's have a wander, see what's about. It is very muddy this morning. I know I should have put on my wellies instead, but it is what it is. Okay, I'll come across the field first, so I'll spend some time on the edge of the woods by the field. And see if anything turns up. But the sun is definitely burning off some of that mist, so my view will be better, but it won't be the same kind of atmosphere that we've got at the moment. Be nice to get some photographs of some deer or some rabbits or hares. I could hear the jay just now, so maybe get an image or two of him. This is so peaceful. I literally have a stream running next to me, if you can hear it. I've got a dead quiet misty field in front of me with a tree that's been slowly revealing itself, which I think will make a beautiful image. I can hear the birdies making more of an effort now. I'm going to take a few images of this tree and then I'm going to head into the woods. That's the tree, just there. It's beautiful. I'm going to position it just off to the left in my rule of thirds. I kind of love days like today where it's getting very wet. I love days like today where it's not so much about the images, because when it's often this kind of misty and foggy, you tend to get a lot of grain in the images. Oh, that sun's coming out, but it's about the experience, the atmosphere, the silence. and the sounds of nature. Okay. Let's go and find something to film. Found the deer. They're in the field opposite. I'm not sure if I can get any better beyond these trees. Okay, let's see if I can get any closer. Managed to bridge myself just in a little bank. Let's go find him. Just got to cross this little stream. Okay. This is literally what I was hoping for. Half an hour ago, I couldn't even see in that field. And that goes to show that that's probably where they were. But because of the mist, just couldn't see them. Gonna wedge myself here because they're not going anywhere. It'd be nice if they came this way, a bit closer to get some nice images. But just to stand and watch them is going to be perfect. I just can't believe how lucky I am today that I came out on a whim to an area that I have been to before, a long time ago, when I did a video on mushrooms by torchlight. Which I did a couple of years back. But now that the mist has cleared a bit, it's warmed up a bit. It's warmed up quite considerably, which is nice because I was getting a little bit chilly on the pingies, even though I have my wind stoppers on. It's coffee time. I don't know if you can hear the owl, but he seems to be getting louder and louder. Oh, here we go. Got some more coming across. It's warmed up enough to get my cap on instead of my hat, but the cap is a little bit of a pain. And then I'm going to go back to the woolly. That's better. Literally fresh ground. Even resprayed the lid black, which is a bit shiny otherwise. Well, they're actually settling down in the middle of that field, so I'm going to carry on heading for the piney woods. See if I can find any squirrels or nuthatches. Yep, that's the plan. Although that's been beautiful to watch. A couple of people have asked me about all my bits and bobs and what this is, and so I'm going to do a video on all the little nooks and crannies, bits and bobs, and I've been asked a lot about some of my inexpensive kind of wildlife bits that I've modified, etc. So I will do a complete video on what I have, how I use it, and that's just my GoPro battery for you because you're at 8%. Right, let's change you over. I've just had a bit of a wander, and I have found a wood ant's nest. I mean, it looks like it's derelict, and I don't know much about wood ants. I have seen them before, photographed them in Scotland and down here once, I think about 4 or 5 years ago. So I don't know what their activity is this time of year, so I need to go home, do a bit more research, but at least it looks like it could be a good spot to come back to in the summer when I know that they're active. But this is beautiful. Beautiful. I'm just on the edge of the trees here, and that's where I can hear most of the bird activity. See what I can find. There is so much bird noise, but there must be right in the tops of all these pines, because I can't actually get footage, or even with my binoculars I can't see them, but I can hear them. I truly love pine forests. I mean, that could be my Scottish ancestry, or it could be that the smell of the pine trees remind me of Christmas, or it could just be that when I had my business as a tree surgeon, I was cutting down a lot of conifers and lelandais. So maybe it's just that. Well, I think I'm going to call it a day. Head back to the van. Head home for some late lunch. I am starving. If you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you don't subscribe and you'd like to, that would be great. I'll put up some pictures at the end of this. Some of them are of the deer. I think most of them are going to be of the foggy morning. In fact, it's kind of still here now with this kind of mist. But all that leaves me to say is, until next week, thanks for watching, and bye for now.